Awin Affiliate Program Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Awin and recommended affiliate programs are in the description. Now let's get straight to the review. Awin is one of the largest and most reputable affiliate networks, connecting affiliates with over 21,000 advertisers across various industries, including fashion, finance, travel, and technology. It's a global platform that offers a wide range of commission structures, including CPA, cost per action, CPC, cost per click, and revenue share. Awin is designed for both beginners and experienced affiliates, providing access to well-known brands and high-converting offers. It stands out due to its vast network of advertisers, user-friendly dashboard, and advanced tracking capabilities. Features. Awin provides affiliates with access to thousands of brands and a variety of commission models. It offers deep linking tools, allowing affiliates to generate custom links to specific product pages, which helps increase conversion rates. The platform also features real-time tracking and analytics, enabling affiliates to monitor performance, optimize campaigns, and maximize earnings. One unique aspect of Awin is its initial $5 deposit required to join, which is refunded once an affiliate generates their first commission. Payments are processed on a net 30 or net 15 basis, depending on the advertiser, and can be received via direct deposit or Payoneer. Strengths. One of Awin's biggest strengths is its massive selection of advertisers, including high-profile brands that offer competitive commission rates. The platform's tracking and reporting tools are highly detailed, giving affiliates full insight to clicks, conversions, and earnings. Another advantage is its accessibility. Whether you run a blog, YouTube channel, or social media page, you can find suitable offers to promote. The deep linking feature makes it easy to drive traffic to specific products, improving engagement and conversions. Awin also has a strong reputation for timely payments and reliable customer support. Weaknesses. While Awin is an excellent affiliate network, it does have some downsides. The $5 deposit, though refundable, can be a minor barrier for new affiliates. Additionally, some advertisers have strict approval requirements, meaning not all affiliates will be accepted into every program. Another drawback is the platform's complex interface, which may take time for beginners to navigate effectively. Unlike networks like Amazon Associates, which allow instant approvals, Awin's approval process can take a few days, depending on the advertiser. Final verdict. Awin is a top-tier affiliate network with a vast selection of advertisers, competitive commissions, and advanced tracking tools. It's a great option for affiliates looking to work with established brands and earn commissions through CPA, CPC, and revenue share models. While the initial deposit and advertiser approval process can be small hurdles, the platform's earning potential and reliability make it a solid choice. If you're ready to start earning, check the links in the description. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more affiliate marketing insights.